Welcome. In front of me is Gateway GWNR71517 Ultra Slim laptop, and in this video I will show you how to set up Windows 11 without Microsoft account on this laptop. So the first thing, do not connect to the network. If you did connect to the network already, then either turn off the router or reach the place where you cannot access the router signal in order to disconnect from the network. And once you've done that, you'll have to use a combination of Shift plus F10 buttons. Sometimes you'll have to press a Shift, Fn, F10 buttons together. So three at once. Shift, Fn, and F10, and this way you will boot up into the. You will open up the CMD window, and in this CMD window you'll have to input the following command. So OOBE backslash bypassNRO. I hope that you can see it from this distance, but if you don't, then I hope that this would be enough. Okay, so OOBE backslash bypassNRO, and then press enter and wait a moment until your device restarts. Now, once your laptop is restarted, we can begin the installation process. So first of all, select the right country or region and select yes to confirm. Then select the keyboard layout for you and select yes again. Then if you want to add a second keyboard layout, you can click add layout in the bottom right corner, and if you don't, just skip. And then, instead of connecting to the network, click I don't have internet option next to the next button. And then you can name your device. And click next. Then you can create a password, but you don't have to do this. I'm not gonna do it. Just click next if you don't want to create a password. Then choose some privacy settings for your device. I suggest that you use location and find my device features because they are actually usable and help you detect your laptop if it's stolen, or get location-based experience like weather and directions and things. For the other options, I'd rather switch the toggle to the left because those are only for diagnostics, but if you want, you can get to know each option closer. Diagnostic data, and type in tailored experiences and advertising ID. They're generally speaking just for diagnostics, but if you want something of that, you can switch the toggle to the right and continue. Now I will go with such selection, so click accept and then wait for a while until your device boots up. And that's it. At this point, the laptop is fully set up. So thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.